I'm here in my studio that is in process of being renovated. I wanted to show you my Lucy earrings, and I'm wearing them in both metals. This is the silver, this is the gold, and I'll talk about them in a second, but I thought I would show you. So basically you can still see that the ceiling has been taped off and insulated, and we have decided, for those of you who might have seen my video last week, we have decided to keep the beams wood, like we're gonna have, the contractor's gonna stain them wood. Originally we were gonna paint them white, and now that we're seeing it in here all white up there, even though it hasn't been painted yet, we were kind of loving the look of these beams. So we have decided to have him stain the beams. He's gonna make them thicker and beautiful and stain them. So progress is so fun. So I wanted to show you my Lucy earrings because Valentine's Day is coming up, everyone, and time to get your orders in because I need to ship to you, and shipping is still taking a little bit longer than, let's say, a year ago. So I wanted to wear both colors of the Lucy earrings, or both metals, I should say. This is the salmon pink color that's on, I am photographed on the website in a picture wearing these. And I wanted to show you this color specifically because this color's a little bit different. I've never used it before. And I've had a few people ask me, is it more soft pink? Is it more this? Is it more that? And really, salmon is the best way I can describe this color. But the pictures on the website are really good, very clear. You can really tell the color. So this is what the earring looks like. It's very lightweight. I've had a few people say it looks like it's kind of heavy. I promise you it's not heavy. And it's about from the tip of the ear wire to the very end of the drop, it's almost 1.5 inches. It's less than 1.5 inches. So they're lightweight, they're small, and this is the salmon color. You can see that if you have brown hair, the silver pops a little more, and then the brass kind of blends. You might be attracted to either, so just take note of what you're liking better. The ear wires are either sterling silver or gold filled, and the colors available, like this one is navy. There's the navy, and then I'm wearing the salmon. I also have red, gray, because gray is the color of the year, and I have like a swirly mustard and white. There might be another color. I think that's it. Anyways, on the website, take a look. I think you will love them, and they would be a great Valentine's gift. So check them out.